Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, south central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania until 11 o'clock p.m. At 9:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Weaglestown to Pine Grove Furnace to Greencastle, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The most intense storm in this line was near Weaglestown, or about 6 miles to the west of York. These storms are capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Emmetsville and Waynesboro, York, Stony Brook and Cashtown, Hallam, Seven Stars and Carroll Valley, Lake Mead and Heidlersburg. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: Interstate 81 between mile markers 1 and 32, Interstate 83 between mile markers 1 and 24. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 11, Route 15, Route 30, State Road 94, State Road 97. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts and large hail. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 o'clock a.m. Saturday morning for south central Pennsylvania. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Montgomery County in central Maryland, Orange County in central Virginia, eastern Rappahannock County in northwest Virginia, eastern Warren County in northwest Virginia, southeastern city of Charlottesville in central Virginia, city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, city of Manassas in northern Virginia, southeastern Greene County in central Virginia, Culpeper County in northern Virginia, eastern Albemarle County in central Virginia, city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, eastern Madison County in northwest Virginia, Prince William County in northern Virginia, Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, Fauquier County in northern Virginia, western Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from Hume to 7 miles northeast of Madison to 13 miles south of Madison, and were moving east at 60 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Orange, The Plains, Warrenton, Haymarket, Bealton, Centerville, Chantilly, Bull Run, Massaponax. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. This line of storms has a history of producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now for the